Hello, my name is Gediminas, and I am one of 3 people who started organizing this idea of BEXP, which means business expansion.
Hello, my name is Paulius. I would like to introduce about our internship. The main activity and the main challenge for you, it will be to help us to find the business clients in other countries, in abroad countries, especially in your own country.
So what we are looking for the intern who could come from his country to Lithuania and to make new connections for Lithuanian business companies so they could expand into new markets and to realize their production in your country. We are kind of people who are really promoting social responsibility in Lithuania, so we are also looking for you to take active part in our social activities as well. So we'll have definitely some conferences and seminars about social responsibility, and it would be even more cool if you could share some experiences from your own country. So, and maybe the last thing is that we are also having some close relations with ISAC members, so definitely we'll have some good time and after work. Thank you.
Welcome. 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 Somewhere between the Urals and the Baltic Sea, is a land of very beautiful beauty. It's on the Amber Coast, a place where it rains. We don't have any mountains, just hills, forest and plains. Welcome to Lithuania. Welcome to Lithuania. Welcome to Lithuania, the land of our beautiful ladies. Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Hello, my name is Madalina. I'm from Romania and I'm studying social sciences. And here is Raf.
Yes, hi, my name is Raf. I'm from Poland. I just graduated from Warsaw University of Technology. I'm a mechanical engineer. We all came to Lithuania to take a part in I Am a Leader project.